siguro to share lang din sino bang pupunta dyan. We're eyeing some of the possible participating corporations. Coke express their interest. We're going to approach
Accenture is over. Baka magdalawa pa ngayon.
Smart or Globe, actually Mouse. Bench, we're going to approach Bench. We're going to approach ATI, Ford or Toyota, ICE, HSBC, GE, Money, Chevron, American Express. So lahat tong mga to para identified as possible warm kasi may connection yung board member may contact. So, positive 13 corporations kasi meron kami tatlong premier partner, Lafarge, Tiran, at saka First Gen. So, hindi namin i-count yun kasi premier sponsor, ibig sabihin may 3-year partnership with us, nagbibigay sa amin sila ng pera. So, ililibre na namin sila. Kasi this is also a major fundraising for us. We get substantial part of our operational fund sa ganitong mga projects. So, participating corporation will give us a grant para makaparticipate. So, yung 10 identified, yun yung target goal namin to reach for this project. So, para ma-reach yung goal na yun, 13 yung participants. Pero 10 lang yung titigilin or magbibigay. So, Sherpa will be Sherpas for hands-on for services. Helping us to run the project. Yung choices mo ng project, siguro, yun nga, first come, first serve din. Pero lahat yan, posible puntahan from Makati, 1 hour lang.
Like in school, kung sa Mandaluyong lahat yun. Kung pwede kami magbisitahan kung tapos.
Oo. Mandaluyong, Pasig, saan yung ba tayo?
Quezon City. Dalawang Quezon City.
Probably Manila area. So, around Makati lang. Ang idea is 1 hour lang ang travel time.
Piling ko pinakamalayo dyan, Habitat lang. Pero wala pa yung lugar.
So, ang immediate is Servaton. Is DLCD. Tapos yung Servaton, mag-minute ulit ang Sherpa committee.
Para
Para sa update. And kung paano i-share yung update.
Yung hospital, isang hospital lang yun ha, pero dalawang group yung pupunta, kasi dalawang playroom yun. Sa National Children's Hospital, malapit sa PCS. So malapit din sa PCS. Oo na.
Yun.
Doon na lang.